lovely, welcome back to my channel Dolly's Blog. In this video I am going to tell you how to make 5 minutes skin tightening, brightening facial pack at home. This facial is for all skin types. You can use it every day. This facial will tighten your skin, brighten your skin and glowing your skin and remove blackheads, whiteheads, dark circle, dead skin cell and black patches. Let's start the video.
The ingredients needed are 1 spoon peanut and 1 spoon red masoor dal, and then we will take 3 spoon of raw milk. Guys, make sure that you are taking raw milk because raw milk has the property of cleansing skin, making your skin glowing and brightens your skin. Now soak it for 10 to 15 minutes and then we are putting it in the mixer grinder so that we can make a paste of it. For making the paste, just put it on the mixer grinder and then we are taking the paste and then take a cotton cloth and a bowl and then just put on the mixture in the cotton cloth. Just take a cotton cloth and put the mixture in it and we need to filter it out. You can see the liquid. After taking out the mixture and filtering it out, we will put 2 spoons of rice flour in it for making it a proper paste. So now we are adding 1 spoon of honey and then we are putting it in it and then we just made a mixture of it. Just mix. We are mixing it out and then we will apply it on our face. If your mixture is thin, then you can add more rice flour in it for making it a thick paste. So we are also adding 1 more spoon of rice flour in it, and if you are adding again rice flour in it, then make sure you are adding honey in it because it's very important to maintain the quantity of both the items in the liquid. Then we are taking the paste and our paste is ready and we are applying it on our face. We are applying it on our face slowly and slowly with the help of a brush. If you don't have brush, then you can use your hands also for applying the paste on your face. In the same way, you have to apply this paste on your full face and then leave it for 10 minutes so that it will dry. After applying the pack, now we just need to massage the pack on our face. Just move your hands in a circular motion on your cheeks, around your nose, in your forehead, around your lips, upper lip portion, in the chin area. Make sure in the scissor stroke motion you have to use. These are the acupressure therapies which you need to do. Make sure you are pressing the acupressure points in the same way as it's shown in the video, around the nose, around your eyebrows, around your chin area, and just slowly you just need to move your hands around your eyes. It will help to remove your dark circle around your eyes and will give your skin a glow and beauty again. Now you have to do the upper stroke during the massage, and you need to do this massage for 5 minutes on your face, and again in another cheek we are doing this massage. Slowly move your hands on your face. Don't be so harsh. In your chin areas around your nose, slowly move your hands around your eyes. It will remove your dark spot and dark circles. And then stretch your face in the upper part motion. Now pinch your face. Don't be so harsh again. Just slowly pinch your face. Now pat your hands on your face. But again, don't be so harsh while patting on your face. Slowly you need to pat on your face so that it will not harm your skin. And then do it in the same way for 5 minutes as we are doing. And then it's over. Now we just have to leave it for it may dry. Now the pack is dry and then now we just need to remove it. Take a towel to wipe out your face after drying the pack.
My skin is glowing. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.